Oh no. Did you press the button? Okay. You made the right choice. You are one of the few people who entered this video easily. Since some people cannot search this video. So, congratulations. Now, I have a tricky challenge for you. You dare to fight me? Let's see. Level 1. Can you pronounce this word correctly? 5 seconds starts now. Like this video if you pass this level. Level 2. Spot the odd object. Your 5 seconds starts now. Subscribe if you saw it. Okay. Prepare. Level 3. Can you spot the odd color? Your 10 seconds starts now. Bang. Let's see in the comments. If you defeated all of them. Have a nice day.